Yo, what's up? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at the SoundPEATS Air4, which is a brand new earbud. And I think it's going to be pretty cool because it has Bluetooth 5.3. It's also going to pack some really cool features that I want to jump into. But the case is going to give you 26 hours of charging. And so these are going to be really cool because they're going to have the hybrid active noise cancellation. And the app that it comes with is actually going to be pretty straightforward to use. So you can actually, manipulate the EQ settings as well. Let's go ahead and jump into the unboxing and get started when it comes to these earphones. But I definitely think it was pretty cool. But pretty much cardboard box with plastic film. And then on the inside, you're going to be popping the top. And inside, you're going to be greeted with the earphones themselves. And we're going to jump into that in just a second. But make sure you guys stay locked in with me, okay? So the user manual was actually placed inside the box right here, and everything was pretty straightforward with the presentation. Everything was pretty much cardboard except for the film that came wrapped around the earphones. And so you get the user manual as well as a tips guide to help you get started. And so these are going to be packing some really nice features that I want to check out. And so they come in this black material, a reset button on the front, and the SoundPEATS written in bronze, as well as the Type-C cable, which has a bronze outline. And so the case feels really premium. It has a nice matte finish. When you take the earbuds out, you get a nice matte finish on those as well. You get the green LED light on the outside, signifying the battery percentage, as well as the copper finish on the inside, which is going to line the earphones, as well as that SoundPEATS logo in bronze as well. And then on the bottom, you get that magnet, which is also going to be a bronze color. And so these are going to have a really nice overall design, and they're going to be easy to take in and out of the case. And the case is actually going to fit in anything you put it in. So it's going to be able to fit in like a small pocket of your pants or some jeans or just a small bag or anything like a carrying pouch. And so the pairing process is easy to set up while the earbuds are still in the case, which is kind of cool. So you don't have to take them out while you're pairing them. And then you could always long press on the button on the front to actually reset them. And so it's really easy to press that button. I know a lot of the times the button was located in a weird position. So I really do like the case on these earphones. And it's going to have a nice solid finish on there, which is going to be a matte material within the black color. And it's going to have that green LED light when they're fully charged. It's going to turn orange when it's actually starting to get low, and then red when it's actually running out of battery. The magnets on the case are also pretty sturdy as well. And so I really do like the design of the hinge because it stays in place and it won't fall automatically when you try to put the earbuds inside of the case. I'm definitely going to test out the microphone quality as well as letting you guys know how they sound when it comes to the overall listening experience. But these earbuds actually stayed in place when I was using them, and they had a nice snug fit as far as the overall design. And so they're going to come with the SoundPEATS app, which is going to be free for Apple and Android. And so you're going to get a bunch of EQ modes that you can actually use to tailor the sound experience. You get adaptive listening, or you can use one of the customized EQ modes as well.
What's going on, guys? So this is the SoundPEATS Air4s, and I'm doing a microphone test. I just want to come outside because it's a little bit windy, so you may be able to hear what it sounds like with a little bit of wind noise. But I came outside because there's this like tornado right here kind of coming down from the cloud in the sky. That looks like unreal. That looks crazy. Let me know what you guys think about the microphones on here. I'm about to get out of here because like there's a lot of lightning. But let me know what you guys think about the microphone quality when it comes to the Air4s.
And so let me know what you guys think about the microphone quality when it comes to the SoundPEATS Air4. But I definitely think the listening experience was going to be really nice. On low volumes, it still managed to sound really good when it came to the bass. And so you can listen to the mids, highs, and lows. And it definitely had a nice overall separation with the instruments. It had very clear audio with the adaptive lossless sound from the aptX. And so you're going to be able to get some really nice listening sessions when it came to these. As far as the touch controls, you get a single tap to increase the volume, a double tap on the right side to activate pause, and then a triple tap to activate the Google Assistant. But on the left side, if you double tap, you'll activate the gaming mode, and then a triple tap will actually activate ANC. And so you can actually long press on the right side to switch tracks forward, but you can't switch them back. So that was kind of one of the things I noticed that I didn't like. But another thing that you did get was on the left hand side, you can get your gaming mode or your ANC, which is a cool feature. So you can switch in between the modes on these. And so you can customize the listening experience as well with the app. So you got all the different EQ modes as well as a customizable, EQ mode as well. And so the case is going to reset these earphones so you compare them to a separate device when you long press the front button. And so these actually are very pocketable and they fit very nicely in my pants or some jeans. And so I definitely thought that when it came to the size of the case and the overall fit for the earphones, they definitely complemented each other very nicely because they were both comfortable and had that matte material with a comfortable design. So it was easy to hold in the hand. It didn't really slip that much. Also, the case was very sturdy. And so I like the battery that you were getting out of these, because when it comes to the battery life of these headphones, you're also going to be getting 6.5 hours with 26 hours with the case. And so you get a gaming mode when you're actually listening to music on a video and you're just watching music videos and you want it to sync up with the lips and the words. But if you did want to actually play mobile gaming on these headphones, that did have a separate gaming mode. So you were going to get some really good gaming. You're also going to get really good battery as far as the overall earphones and the case combined. And so for the price of $79, I definitely think this is a pretty nice grab because it's going to pack the adaptive audio with the codec aptX, which is going to be really nice and compatible with most devices. You're also going to be getting 13mm large dynamic driver as well, which is going to provide a full and rich bass quality most of the time. And it's going to sound very powerful and very vibrant when it comes to the listening experience. Also, the 6 mics that have AI noise reduction and the multi-point connection on these earphones make them really nice because you can switch in between devices very easily. And so it's also going to have, fast charging on the case as well. And so it'll charge up within an hour, and then you can get a lot of different, usage out of these. But the touch controls are definitely going to be pretty straightforward. The only thing I didn't like is it didn't have track skip back, but it does have track skip forward and volume up and down. So that's pretty much straight. And these just have a really nice, sleek, ergonomic design. They're very comfortable, but they're also very affordable. It doesn't block out a lot of the noise that you hear around you, but it will block out a majority of the sounds like in public places. I'm going to check you guys on the next video. Make sure you stay locked in for more videos just like this. Type I'm still here if you made it to the end of the video. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help boost the engagement. But I'm going to check you guys later. I'll see you in the next video. Later, crew. Peace.